In this L2 data mapping video, I'm going to go through the process of making selections. In this case, we're looking at the state voter file in Florida. However, you could look at any of the applications, whether it's the U.S. Consumer App, a single congressional district and constituent mapping, or the automotive file, and the process is going to be very similar, if not exactly the same in some of these instances. So in this case, we'll dive into the Florida voter file. Now you can see on the right-hand side, you have visualize, source, and filter. We're going to be focused around the filter area, which is these are the selections that you will make within the tool based on L2 data. So what we're going to do first is go to area selections and click on the little arrow next to it. That's going to create a drop-down. This will give you drop-downs of all the different area selections within this specific application. In this case, we're going to look at counties. And from there, you can see that it opens a new menu with all the different county names. You have the total number of voters, in this case, in those counties, and then the percentage those voters make up of the total Florida voting population. You can sort this simply by clicking on the headers. Now it's going to start off as alphabetical, but in this case we'll click here, and you can sort by the total number of voters or the percentage of which they make up within the state. So in this case, what I'm going to do is keep it sorted like this, and we're going to take a look at Palm Beach County in particular. So to do that, I go to the square box next to the name of the select I wish to make, click on it, and that's going to change the map. It's going to change the counts in the lower left-hand corner, so you can see around 994,000 people, or voters in this case, 618,000 residents' addresses, with the percentage of those that make up the state's total voter population. So Palm Beach County makes up around 6.84% of the state's total voters. In this case now, I want to zoom down to the county area. So what I'm going to do is go to the target icon. This allows you to zoom down to this area, and it's going to give you the outline of the county or whatever area selection you've made, and it's going to say up top, highlighting area, counties, Palm Beach County. In this case, what I'm going to do is dismiss this box so we can take a look at the total voters as well. So now what we're going to do is go down even further, and let's say we want to make some additional selections. So we're going to go to individual demographics. We're going to scroll down. We're going to go to gender. We're going to go to female, and you'll see, again, the count instantly changes to 532,000. We're going to go down even further. We're going to go to age. And now we can set an specific age range, or in this case, I'm going to go to age range based on birth year, and I'm going to select those that are 40 to 65 and over, so 40 plus. It's going to immediately do that calculation, 380,000. The map is repainted, and you see it instantly come up. From there, I'm also going to go to, below that, telephone contact data, cell phones, and you could see as I'm making the selections, the tree branches just get further and further down. We're going to select those individuals for whom we have a cell phone. Looks like around 60% of this individual select. And you can see we're now down to 225,000 or 218,000 individual households. And that is how you make selections.